lot. Used to have no money for a crib, now my room service bill cost your whole lot. If they try to stop me, I go all out military. I'm camoed all out like I'm in the military.
What's up, guys? So like I was saying before, this has become a pretty big problem. Not only is this message being displayed that the link isn't safe or may not be what it says it is, which throws up red flags to the potential customer that's going to the offer, but it's also having problems tracking. So just because it's not displaying that message, you may be leaving money on the table and that link not being tracked and being linked back to your account and you being paid for it. So either way, you can see where this would be a big problem. So about 3 months ago, I tried this to see if it would work, and I don't know, I can't tell you what it's doing behind the scenes or what it's doing on the back end of this process, this little method, simple method I'm going to show you today. But it, for sure, it definitely works, and I don't know if it's throwing it off, throwing the website off or whatever, but what I do, so you know that you can use like tinyurl or even bit.ly.com, which is just just a regular URL shortening website. You can use these, and in the previous you could use these flawlessly, and it worked great. And then you could promote that shortened URL, which worked great. I would highly recommend it then and everything, but now with the problem going on, I wouldn't be promoting that link exactly. So what I do is, and this is my personal preference, you can use any link shortening website, but I use tinyurl and I use bit.ly. I've got my own tracking set up under bit.ly. So what I do is I go to tinyurl first, and then I'll shorten the initial link. So the initial affiliate link that they give me to promote, I'll shorten that through tinyurl. Once I get the shortened URL from tinyurl, I'll then go to bit.ly.com and I'll shorten that shortened URL. So like what I'm doing essentially is I'm going from tinyurl, shortening the initial link that's given to promote. I shorten that, take that shortened URL from tinyurl, and then hop onto bit.ly and shorten that one. So like I said, I don't know what's going on in the back end of that, but I do know that it works. So then you can use that shortened URL from bit.ly, or for the second site, you can go to the second site, use that shortened URL, and then promote it or publish it however you please, wherever you please. Now, the reason I haven't came out and told everybody about this method up to this point was simply because I wanted to try this. I wanted to promote it throughout all avenues, through email marketing, videos, through Facebook, social media outlets, Quora. I've tried this in on every website and yet to have a problem. Now, I did show this about a month and a half ago to 4 of my colleagues. They have all tried this and they've been using this method. I've got great feedback from this, saying that it works great. So I highly recommend that however, if you have a personal preference, however you share your links, please share that with us down below. What do you do? What are you doing to promote your links, to shorten your links, or are you promoting simply the initial URL that's given, the initial affiliate link given? Is that what you're using? So if you don't mind, share that with us down below. Let us know. If you have a certain way that you're battling with this problem, let us know. I would like to know myself. I know that the rest of the audience would like to know, so share that with us down below. And if you plan on using this method, I can give you my word here today that this method works 100%. You're not going to have any troubles with it. Now, if I find out that they come up and start blocking this method too, I'll definitely let you guys know. I'll share an updated video, but I don't think that they're going to. I don't think that they can, to be honest with you. They might be able to if they really wanted to, but I don't, honestly, I don't see them wanting to do that bad. So let's real quick talk about why they are doing this. So for the longest time, I couldn't figure out why they would even want to do this. Well, it don't make sense. And still, after learning, I have learned exactly why they do this. And after learning why they do this, it still don't really make sense to me. But I mean, it's an answer, and I just can't see why they would want to. But what's going on is apparently tinyurl, Bitly, these link shortening websites don't like what's being displayed on the other side of these URLs, on the other side of these links. They're saying that they're too spammy. They don't like the sales pitch. Too spammy is, I guess, for lack of better words, is what they're saying. So you've seen these URLs that these links where they take you sometimes. Yeah, I mean, I can see what they're saying, that they are kind of ridiculous. But at the same time, they're not being represented by these links at all. I mean, they're simply a URL. They're simply a path from to this offer or whatever. Nobody's looking at that link saying, "Oh, well, I can't believe," that has nothing to do with them. Or I'm not going to use tinyurl because of where this took me. That don't make sense to me for whatever reason. They've got a different stance and belief on that, and that's what's going on. So even though it don't make sense, that's what's going on. Guys, I hope that this helped you. I hope that you plan on using this, not only watching this video, but taking action. Not only with this method, but in general, just earning money online. Guys, it's 2018. It's a big deal. It's super growing. It's growing dramatically. The popularity of just earning money online in 2018, and there's a reason for that, guys. Because it's blowing up for a reason, and if you're not getting your foot in the door, and if you're not earning online today in 2018 with so many ways to do so, really it's your own fault. And there's still meat on the bone. There's plenty out there. Nothing's saturated. Nothing's going to be saturated with as many people there is in this world. Excuse me. So get to it, guys. Let's get to grinding. Let's earn some money in 2018 online. Let's do this. I hope only the best, and wish great success on you and your business. And no matter what avenue you take, no matter what stance you take, whether that be e-commerce, affiliate marketing, using Shopify, I highly recommend all of these. Please check out the links below. I plan on sharing with you the G Suite. I recently started using G Suite for a business email. I use this across all business platforms with all the business models that I have my hand in today in 2018. I use G Suites, and that's really to get rid of that Gmail email address. You get a business email with G Suite that looks super legit and professional. People's going to take you more serious. Your customers are going to respect your business more. They see a Gmail, they kind of laugh. These people aren't serious. They too have Gmails, so I mean, what's the difference in them and your business? So with G Suite, you're going to get that. You're going to get tons of business tools, and y'all's all familiar with Microsoft Excel and Microsoft Word and all that. Well, you're going to get Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Forms, and Google Calendars, and Google Blogger comes with this, and this is normally only...
They might be going psycho, the mama man like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on, yeah. My roof look like a no-show, got diamonds by the bolo. Come with the Tony Romo for clowns and all the bozos. They might be going psycho, the mama man like Michael. Can't really trust nobody with all this jewelry on, yeah. My roof look like a no-show, got diamonds by the bolo. Don't act like you're my friend when I'm rolling through my hands. Damn, my life been going crazy, now this wasn't the dream. Took a little bit to figure, you just gotta see. what you want.